You do not need synthetic chemicals to grow a thriving garden. Organic gardening uses natural methods to support healthy plants, soil, and the environment, making your garden both productive and sustainable. Start with the soil. Add organic matter like compost, aged manure, or shredded leaves to improve structure, moisture retention, and nutrient content. Healthy soil supports beneficial microorganisms and helps plants resist stress. Test your soil's pH and nutrients before planting to make targeted improvements. Select plants suited to your local climate, sunlight, and soil. Native varieties often need less maintenance and are more resilient. Choose healthy seeds or seedlings and give each plant enough space for air circulation and growth to reduce disease risk. Compost made from kitchen scraps and yard waste enriches soil and provides steady nutrients. Use natural fertilizers like worm castings or aged manure only when needed. Too much fertilizer can harm plants and the environment. Water at the base of plants in the morning. Mulch helps retain moisture and regulate soil temperature, reducing how often you need to water. Inspect plants regularly. Remove pests by hand or encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees by planting flowers. Practice crop rotation, companion planting, and regular observation for a naturally healthy, resilient garden.